Hey, Corbett.
I used to get directions like this morning. See that
Bryson, be careful.
See that clearing over there? Drive straight to it. That was my directions on the back of the truck. I would say, over these palm fronds? Yep, go straight to it, girl. And we go, boom, 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 boom. There'd be the 10-year-old girl driving directly to that clearing. That was my driving direction. No. Bradley's asking for a camera.
What is it?
You use your camera because you know how that one I got of you when you were a kid?
Yeah.
They've been doing it. Looks pretty cool.
Oh, what, in the mirror?
Yeah. Just stopping. We're looking for rabbits. Do you see any rabbits?